Hi there! Welcome to our channel, Learning Languages by Listening and Practicing. Let's start. Scenario 1. Airport check-in.
Excuse me, is this the check-in counter for Flight 123 to London?
Yes, it is. Are you on the same flight?
Yes, I am. I hope there are no delays.
Fingers crossed. By the way, have you been to London before?
No, it's my first time. Any recommendations for must-see places?
Definitely visit the Tower of London and take a stroll along the Thames. Enjoy your trip.
Scenario 2. Discussing local cuisine.
Hey, I'm looking for a good place to try local cuisine. Any suggestions?
Absolutely. There's a fantastic street food market a few blocks from here.
Sounds perfect. What's the specialty?
You have to try the local specialty. It's called Local Dish. It's a game changer.
Thanks for the tip. I'm always up for trying new things.
Enjoy your meal. Let me know if you need more recommendations.
Scenario 3. Sharing travel stories.
Hi there! Mind if I join you at the hostel common area?
Not at all. Have a seat. Where are you from?
I'm from Australia. How about you?
I'm from Canada. Wow, quite a journey for both of us.
Absolutely. Any favorite places you've visited so far?
Well, I just came from exploring destination, and it was incredible. The landscapes were breathtaking.
Scenario 4. Navigating local transportation.
Excuse me, how do I get to the city center from here?
No problem. You can take the metro, it's just a short walk from here.
Great. Is it easy to navigate?
Very. Just follow the signs, and you'll be in the city center in no time.
Thanks for the directions. I appreciate it.
No worries. Enjoy your time exploring the city.
Scenario 5. Hostel roommates meeting.
Hi, I'm your new roommate. Is it okay if I put my backpack here?
Hey, no problem at all. I'm Maria. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Maria. I'm Alex. How long are you staying here?
I've got a week left. What about you?
I'll be here for the next few days. Any recommendations on what to do around here?
Definitely check out the local market and the historic district. I can show you around if you want.
That sounds awesome, Maria. Thanks.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and follow our next videos.